For most of human history, we believed work was the center of society. It shaped our days, our identity, our purpose, and our place in the world. And whenever new technology came along, it changed how we worked, but it never removed the need for human workers themselves. But today, something very terrifying is happening. For the first time, we've created a technology that doesn't just replace our muscle, it replaces our mind. Artificial intelligence has entered our offices, our hospitals, our schools, and even our homes. But what started as convenience is quickly becoming dependence, and what started as support is slowly turning into replacement. This is the story of how AI removes jobs, and how it reshapes the economy, the education system, and even democracy, and why the most dangerous part is not job loss, but what comes after humans are no longer needed. This is not science fiction. This is the world we are stepping into right now. Let's begin with the first illusion we all believed. In the beginning, AI didn't arrive as a threat. It arrived as a helper. In marketing agencies, teams used AI to generate rough drafts of ad copy, the kind of mundane work interns usually handled. Hospitals quietly deployed diagnostic algorithms to analyze X-rays and triage patients faster, a trend reported by The Lancet and Nature Medicine as far back as 2020. Software companies let AI write boilerplate code, a practice that surged after GitHub's 2023 productivity study claimed developers were completing tasks 55% faster with AI assistance. Across industries, workers felt reassured. AI wasn't replacing them, it was simply taking the boring parts. But beneath the excitement lingered a quiet unease. If AI can do the small tasks this well, how long until it learns the big ones? The takeover never begins with firings. It begins with unbundling. At first, AI handles the small things, replying to routine emails, drafting summaries, scheduling meetings, generating boilerplate code. Workers still click approve, believing they're in control. But every approval is actually a lesson. The AI gets faster, cleaner, more confident. Then comes the performance gap. Teams that embrace AI finish tasks in hours that once took days. Internal dashboards show a clear divide. AI-assisted teams surging upward, everyone else falling behind. No one says it out loud, but the message is unmistakable. If you don't use AI, you are the inefficiency. Soon, HR announces a hiring freeze. Junior roles disappear first, followed by cancelled internships and mysteriously postponed entry-level positions. Officially, it's due to budget pressures. Unofficially, AI has already claimed those jobs before humans ever walked through the door. What began as assistance has become substitution, and it all happened without a single announcement. As AI takes over more work, the economy begins to behave in strange ways. GDP rises because companies are producing more than ever. The stock market reaches record highs, and the headlines celebrate historic growth. But behind those numbers, millions of people are losing their jobs. For the first time in modern history, companies are becoming richer while humans become less needed. With this shift comes a new kind of inequality, something experts call the intelligence trap. From this imbalance, a new class rises, the AI elite. Just a few corporations control the data, the computing power, and the most advanced AI models. They sell these systems to other AI-run companies, creating an economy where machines buy from machines. Meanwhile, businesses that depend on human customers begin to disappear because humans simply can't afford to keep up. When millions of people lose their jobs, the damage goes far beyond the economy. It begins to reshape the structure of society itself. As AI systems control online platforms, they also control what people see. Important issues like unemployment and poverty get buried under endless entertainment. Real crises are hidden by trending videos, celebrity drama, and algorithmic noise. AI manages companies, writes reports, makes financial decisions, runs infrastructure, and even influences government policy. Step by step, humans lose the ability to guide their own society. The world keeps functioning, but with people watching from the sidelines. In this future, the threat isn't just job loss, it's the loss of control, purpose, and the human role in shaping civilization itself. Even in a world transformed by AI, people can still build meaningful roles, but not by trying to compete with machines. Instead, the future belongs to those who learn to direct AI and guide its use. This means focusing on skills that AI cannot replace: creativity, big picture thinking, problem framing, leadership, and understanding people. Staying relevant is not about resisting change. It's about building resilience, adapting early, and becoming the kind of person AI was never designed to replace. If this video helped you understand what's coming and what you can do to stay ahead, then leave a comment telling me what part of this future concerns you most and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video.